We've just arrived at OZEN by Atmosphere at Maadhoo, so I thought I'd show you around the room. So, well, first things first, the outside view is probably one of the best features. This is a family villa, so there's a living area here, along with some complimentary champagne upon arrival, television. Through here is the main bedroom with a bar, and literally everything in the mini bar is included in the all-inclusive package, along with coffees, teas, snacks, and 2 bottles of spirits as well. There's an espresso style coffee machine with capsules, a wine chiller there. The bed is beautiful, a nice high ceiling, and through here is the main bathroom. So you've got his and her sinks. This space is air conditioned, and then outside you've got your outdoor shower and bathtub, and there's one other bedroom if we go this way for children, and they also have their own small bathroom through here with a shower and a loo there. And then one of my other favourite features of this room, take a look at that for a private pool. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I can't wait to dive into it.